I think the major takeaway of this one is to looking for the intersection between the line or your grid and the contour of your photo reference. In this portrait, of course, is my face, and then my nose and lip, and then my eyes. It can definitely nail the proportion for you, but for the detail, it's not reliable at all. You still have to sketch and draw a lot. In this one, I don't think I spent so much time to do all the detail because I want to rush to get into the value as soon as possible. As you can see here, after I located all the major landmarks, I roughly sketch and connect the intersection, and then I use marker to do all the value. I think this is the easier one because I don't want to mix color like acrylic or watercolor. So marker is the quickest way for me to draw in the value and see the result. Hope this is helpful.